Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. We're gonna make some ornaments. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, we're gonna make some ornaments. And in an effort to get as many in the hopper as I can, you may notice that I'm wearing the same outfit for several days in a row. It's the same day. I'm just recording a lot of videos for you guys so that I can get videos during my Hell Week at the newspaper. So I don't have to, yeah, it's gonna be a bad week. Anyway, so we're getting a bunch done. And also in an effort to use up what I have. Remember these from last year? No? Barely? I bought a bunch, and I do mean a bunch, of these little wooden ornament tags on Amazon. And I will put the affiliate link in the description below. So if you guys wanted to pick up some of these, you can. So I wanted to use them up. I didn't get to use them all last year. I don't even remember what we did with them last year, but I went, okay, these have to go. So what we're gonna do is use the images I bought this year. So I bought a bunch of different images and you probably remember them. Vintage images from Etsy. I've done another video with them and there's a bunch of little cute ones on there and I wanna use these images. Look, I've got glitter already all over it, all over me, all over the table, all over this. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So I'm going to take some of these images and we're going to use them, which you have to kind of decide where on here would be a good place to cut your image. I'm going to find, let's see. Wait. So I went on my printer and I printed them in different sizes. And I think actually this one's a good size. So you can see the little reindeer kind of fits right inside. These were for domino ornaments. I haven't had lunch yet, excuse my stomach. Domino ornaments or domino images. So if you wanted to do images on dominoes, well, I have dominoes, but I also had these. So I just printed them instead of at the domino size. I selected a different size, you know, in your print settings. When it comes up, you can say, you know, print an 8x10 or a 5x7, or that increases the size of the domino. And I think this was the 8x10. Yeah, since they go all the way across the top. This was the 8x10 image. So that increased the size of the domino to about the right size for this. So we're gonna use these and we're gonna use the images. We're gonna make some ornaments. Right now, because I'm only going to put an image on one side and you could choose to do images on both sides, it'd be super cute, but I think most of the time you want the image out on your tree. So I'm going to just use a little rose gold and paint the back of the ornament. All right. I think it doesn't matter what side I paint. They look pretty much the same on both sides. The dog's barking, ignore her. My stomach's about to growl again. So I'm just taking the craft paint and painting the one side. I'm not going to be too fussy about how I do it. I just want to make sure that the back is not raw wood. Okay. So you can see the back is now rose gold. And I've got a lot of them to do. So I better get started. So now I just have a bunch of these that are painted. I just need to let them dry and then we will come back and deal with the other side. Okay, I got the decoupage out. I've got a brush and this is dry now. So we're going to take, I think I like the Noel and the little deer. So I'm going to cut those out first. I think I've decided to start with the bird one here just because it's a larger one and I'm going to have to print some other images. Hang on. But I think this will cover the image really well. I think if I just kind of hold it over, you can see it's going to be cute. Just trust me. It's going to be cute. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to glue it first. I don't want to cut it the wrong size or shape, so I'd rather trim it off afterwards. So I'm just going to glue down. Make sure you get those edges really well. It's always the edges with the decoupage. All right. And then I'm going to line up the bottom first. And all right, and before I trim it or clear it or do anything else, I am going to let that dry. Let's move on to the next one because I have a ton of these to do, like a ton of them. All right, these are ready to be trimmed off. So I'm going to trim this, which, you know, if you have a steadier hand or a better way to do this, you do you, but this is how I'm doing it, which is probably going to irritate like a lot of people. You could transfer the shape onto there and, you know, trim around it. Whatever, do you. But I'm not really good with that. So I have a tendency to not follow lines very precisely. I'm just better this way. So I'm just gonna scooch it up along the wood part and trim it off as close as I possibly can. All right. And now we need to decoupage. Hang on. But before I do that, I'm going to punch the hole where the ornament hanger is going to go, because as soon as you decoupage, so I just have a wooden skewer. These bamboo skewers are at the grocery store. I think Dollar Tree has them too. So, you know, don't go crazy. Just go to the Dollar Tree. I keep some on hand for different projects, so I just had it. Use that to punch a hole, but you could certainly use a pencil. Once you decoupage over this, this is going to be so hard. You're going to have to like put way more effort than you just saw me use to get the hole through there. Okay, when I say I did a bunch of them, I did a bunch of them. You didn't see even half of them. I did use some of the cute little pink and blue ones. So I've got the dog. These have not been clear coated, so we still have to clear coat, and then I am going to add some glitter to it. But I think she's adorable. I just love her. All right, so we're going to decoupage over the top of these bad boys. And then I am going to use some Stampin' Up! Microfine glitter. I got this at the thrift store. Don't get all squirrely. If you need glitter, the thrift store is the best place to get it. But let's get the decoupage glue out and a brush, and we'll start clear coating them. So now you could just put a ribbon on this, hang it up and call it done, but I'm gonna be a little extra. So I've got some wire, it's green. I'm gonna use this as a little bit of a hanger. I'm gonna put that on, twist it. And then I've got my nippers, cut a length here. And I had all of these beads left over from the beaded Christmas tree. So I'm going to bead a little bit of beads on here. Just to give it a little extra sparkle. I don't think I'm going to be able to get 2 wires through there. I'm going to have to cut the wire off at the base here. Hang on. Live and learn. I might have to vacuum. That's kind of pretty, right? Where the heck? Gonna have to get my bifocals checked. And you can do this with any sort of beads that you have. I mean, they don't have to be these crystals or anything like that. So if you had some leftover, like just these plastic ones from a craft project, you could put those in there. Or, but I had the broken necklace, so we're going to use these up. And then these crystal ones came off of a chandelier that somebody had tried to DIY, and it didn't look good. So I took that apart and put real chandelier crystals on it. And then I had all these necklace beads, which will actually be really super cute to hang ornaments off of. So I think that's good. Let's try one large one at the top. No, I don't want to use up all my large ones because I know a lot. How about this one? Got a teardrop at the top. Perfect. I think that's perfect. We're going to have to make a little loop there. So that you can hang an ornament hanger through it. And that's what I'm gonna do to all of these. It's a lot. Oy. And there we go. I think it's cute. Oh, there we go. Cute little handmade ornament. Don't judge me. Okay, I just figured out that if you use the skewer that you use to poke a hole, you'll get a nice tight loop then. Just trim off the excess. And then I'll get a pliers and tuck in that little tail, but now you've got a nice round spot for your ornaments. So there we go. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin shirts, don't forget to click the links below. It supports me and the channel, and I'm so grateful to everybody who's already gotten theirs. I would not wear these for earrings. If you'd like to send me a thrift flip challenge or anything else you want to send me, you can send that to the P.O. Box. And if you would like to join our vintage reseller mastermind group, we don't do craft projects in there, but we talk about different things that we can sell and how to package things and questions about anything you want about reselling. So you click the links for that below. If you're already a member of the group and you want to invite a friend, feel free to do that. And if you would like to buy me a coffee because your girl's on half a tank, then you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.